Hello guys, have a great night. So tonight our recipe is chicken wings in microwave oven. So stay tuned guys and join me while I cook. So ito yung chicken wings na frozen. Then what I did is I just soak it in water. Then boiled water, and here it is guys. So para maging sure na malinis yung chicken wings natin and wala siyang blood, so we have to parboil it, or kung sa vegetable pa, blanch. Just a quick soak in hot water guys. Then drain it. And after that, wash it with salt para yung mga extra skin dyan and unwanted things matatanggal. So, ganyan ako magluto ng meat, guys. So, here you go. Then, wash it with cold water. At saka, linisin ng maigi. Then, after that, set aside, guys. Or drain it. Para maging ano siya, yung dry na dry before mag-marinate tayo. So, ito siya yung garlic. Mince it. Then, with a shallot. Yung garlic natin is around 5 cloves lang. Is okay na yun. Then, in a separate bowl where you will marinate your chicken wings is doon natin ilalagay yung mixture. So, here. Basta means, ang shallot natin guys, okay lang din, hindi siya masyadong pino or hindi siya masyadong mince. Kasi pag na ano yan siya, masarap din siya, pwede siyang kainin. So, a bit of sugar, oil, and light soy sauce. Hindi na ako naglalagay ng cornstarch dahil nga microwave siya. And cornstarch is parang okay lang siya pag oven, pero pag microwave guys, parang mag-sticky siya. So, to avoid that, hindi na lang natin lalagyan. So, kunting wine, light soy sauce, sugar, oil, and a black pepper. So, mix it well, then add your chicken wings there and leave it for 2 hours. Then, after 2 hours guys, for sure, yung taste niya is nagsip na doon sa ating chicken wings. So, pwede na siyang i-plaster sa microwavable plate. Kaya, join me guys. So, ito siya yung microwavable plate natin. And, ready na siya i-microwave. So, yung microwave natin is dapat may stand dahil nga yung ano niya, yung heat is from the upper part. And to make it para siyang grill style, you have to press combi. And set it to 8 minutes guys. Then repeat the process until you reach the desired color or the desired tenderness of your chicken wings, and it's done. So that's how I cook my chicken wings in microwave oven. Basta mabilis lang siya guys, super bilis and tasty. So look at that, ready to serve na ang ating chicken wings, and the color is golden brown. Look, super yummy guys. Happy tummy, enjoy the meal. Ganyan lang siya kabilis and easy magluto ng chicken wings sa microwave oven. So thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much. Have a blessed night. Enjoy the meal.